unboxing here. We're going even smaller because we're insane. But we've got some Azones, 1/12 scale. We're going to give a little try. Needed some as models attempting to do small glasses. We will see. Got one fan following. These ones were super cute. So we are going to give them a little try all the way from overseas. So I'm going to say it's Ica, a Picco Neemo, and a Salt Lily here. It's pink hair. I have pink hair now, which is pretty fun, and lots of different faces. So I really liked the expressions there. So we're going to try and take them out of the box and see all the parts and give you guys a little view in case you want to shop for one of your own. Excuse my messy cutting table. Getting ready for another geek event. We'll lay this down and crack them open. I'm always impressed by tiny scale clothes, of course, as I sew things for dolls and human-sized people as well. So I appreciate the work that does go into them. So we've got the unboxed there. Lovely little booklet that goes along with it. But let's get to the good stuff. So we've got our doll all nicely sealed in. We will do some unpackaging there. Super tiny. So tiny. Okay, release the beast. Little plastic on her hair. And stuck to me. It's super dry here. And okay. Her pink little eyes. I thought that was quite nice. Skirt's a little bulky around the tummy area, but she's got some cute, sweet little feet there as well. And I love the little cutouts in the shoulders. So very stylish. And I really got her for some of the clothes that she was wearing as well. I thought it was a very kind of unique setup with some sweet boots. And let's just put her there. And her nice little hat. Now the fun of trying to get items out of their bags. The tinier and tinier they get, the more challenging it is to get things out of places. I'm sorry there, dear. Get it right on your face. Well, let's put the seam to the back. Oh, she has to be more upright for that. So, that'd be a cute little look. I know we're headed into summer, so this whole winter look may not be super awesome, but just even got that on. But yeah, so pretty good little movement there. Sit down. Oh, we're so staticky here. There are lots of like fires going on because of no rain. It's springtime. We should be having a nice, April showers. We had none, so it's not been very pleasant springtime at all. I've got another little coat here for her. Which way does our packaging open? This is how we open it. Carefully with scissors. So, beautiful little coat. Little teeny hooks. Yeah. That's pretty adorable. So we got that. And little boots. I know generally you take the feet off to get the boots on. I think. Unless they can slip in there, but so small. Get a little shot of those guys. But yeah, so. And she's from the Ex-Cutie line as well. Her little blush cheeks. So if you want a really nice little close look at her, there you are. So I'll be, of course, posting more pictures of them as I build their little doll room out. Looking at getting a dollhouse as well for them. It's a little side project I'd love to have. So you can stay tuned to my Instagram, which is at StellarBJD Accessories. So that will be fun. I always have tons of projects on the go. Just going to put her to the side here while we open our other one. And I'll put some pictures up of her once I've got her all dressed and together. This is just kind of hopefully a quick video box opening. Let's see. On to the other piles of things I have on my sewing table. Oh, and of course she comes with extra sets of hands. So the little fists, fingers, these signs, there you go. So good to do a lot of different photo shoots and expressions. Okay, onto this one here. We'll give her an open. I didn't get stands with these because I do have another order coming with stands and a few more clothes. And I did order these off Emmy, so I'll put that link in the description as well. So on here, we do have a lot of different faces as well. This I liked for some of the clothes, but I liked the hair and the face. I'm curious if I can 3D print with resin printer, maybe some different hair pieces as well. So curious to see if I can give that a try. Because you never know unless you try. So I think that would be an interesting adventure. So I got a little bit of tape on one side. Apologies for like squeaking plastic. So did see she lost one shoe. Oh, and the other shoe on her travels in. Keep your stockings on there. So yeah, such tiny shoes. I love our whole just body in plastic bag. So I'll slide that off. And there she is. Sorry. There we go. I loved her eyes. And that's why she came along. And the hair as well. Of course, it's not like a brushable hair, but I thought she's just adorable. Again, I don't have a lot of history on the character herself, but I just thought a lot of the face and artistry were super cool. So, yeah, that's why she's home with me. So that was really, really adorable. Back of the hair and clothes. So again, appreciating the whole uniform there as well. So let's see if we can see if the instructions put her there for a second. Let's say probably not in English, but we can always use Google Translate on your phone. See if they give us some nice pictures. Oh, look at this. We're going to unfold it all. Okay, so it's kind of looking like the front and the back, and then the head for the hair. So let's see if we can remove I don't want to break her. Remove hair from head. So I was looking for videos for this, but it seems nobody had put that on there. So hopefully this helps someone if they're wondering how the heck do these dolls come apart. So I have removed hair from head and the little face. So this is just kind of cute, looking straight ahead face. And then we do have some other faces here trapped behind that tape, which seems odd. And hair, although they do seem to be in plastic bags, so I guess it's not that weird. And she's got some shaggy bangs here, which cover her face. As well, we will do scissors. These are my craft scissors. I don't use them on fabric. It's a big no-no. So you can always place the head in there. Oh, and then she can be hidden looking down. So those are the two hair pieces. Yeah. Put it off to the side. Hair and hair. I think I could totally 3D print some other hair. Again, not that it would be a recast or anything. Just for my own enjoyment. If I want to give her a different look. Because I didn't see that I could buy any different hair. I mean, I guess if I got more in the series of the dolls, then I could maybe swap hairs with them. But I do like to create, so that is something I like to have the option of. I was curious about. So here's a little grinning face going on there. Nice little sculpt there. And let's see. And I don't want to damage anything, but there. That's what I wanted to have happen. All of them come off. And I'm already like, I have to sew a bag to hold all of these parts. Because I don't have the dollhouse area set up. Usually I'll store all of my doll's parts somewhere in their doll house. Or if they have a little backpack that I've sewn for them, then all their parts go in their own backpacks. It's a little winky face. Clever girl. And to have a super excited face. And I debated about just getting like blank heads and then painting them myself. But when I was looking at them, I saw this one first, and I was like, man, I really like the eyes. And I was like, I really enjoy it. So I'm just going to keep the anime eyes and, yeah, go with it. I think we're going to leave her in super happy, excited face mode. Because we're super happy, excited to have them. So we'll do this and see if we can get the back part on as well. There, not difficult at all. And then she, of course, also comes with sets of hands. stay over there, plastic. So there too, we've got our hand sets, so you can hold things, or wave at people. So super exciting to kind of pose them as well. So these are all her little features that we can put into there. Let's see if I can grab this other gal here. Well, maybe we can get those feet right into the boots. Well, we're getting our feet in there. That. And okay, so here we have our two girls, just ready to chill out. And I'm not sure what their story is yet. It might be roommates, perhaps. Kind of get them a little loft together, I think. So one of them is definitely going to be more posh, which would be this gal here. And this one, I don't know, kind of crazier, more excitable because she's got pink hair. But hopefully that helps you decide if you're thinking about purchasing one of these lovely gals. And yeah, it gives you a little insight into the Azone world of 1/12 scale. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.